Dr. Henry, I'd like to ask about first travel, and this may be for Premier Horgan as well. Is this the same advice as we've heard all along, or are there specific measures in place to ensure that people do not travel from health authority to health authority? And is there part of this order that requires people who did travel that aren't feeling well to get tested? I'm a little bit unclear on the language there.
Yeah, no, it is the same as what we've been saying, but we are reinforcing it now. I know, I said it myself, that over the Easter break, if families wanted to go in a self-contained way to communities, we're now seeing the impact of that. And so I am appealing to everybody, you should not travel unless it's necessary for work, for medical reasons. We need to hunker down for this next few weeks. Stay close to home. It is movement of people that moves the virus, and we've seen that happen. It is sometimes travel from other provinces, and we will be signaling very clearly that that's not acceptable anymore. We don't want you here right now, and we need to stay close to home as well.
Richard, do you have a follow-up? Richard, are you there?
On the guidance around fitness classes, is there an age restriction on this? Does this include kids' dance classes or hockey practices or anything related to kids? And what are the restrictions around what people can do in a gym or a workout space that is different from before?
Yeah, so what we are talking about is adult fitness classes in gyms, fitness studios, dance studios. So it is not the youth programs that we have in place with very strict restrictions, and I know that's a challenge for youth as well. They want to go out and play games and have games with others. But we need to continue with just the local team practices right now. We had been talking about increasing youth sports, particularly outdoor sports, later in April, and I still think we can do that. If we pay attention to what we need to do now to allow us to get the immunization program ramped up safely around the province, then we are still on track to be able to do more, particularly outdoor sports later in the fall, or later in the spring. But right now, this applies to adults. So what you can do is one-on-one training with a trainer or individual fitness in a gym, but it needs to be with the adequate COVID safety plans in place. So that means small numbers of people, space around you, but none of the group activities that were happening. Group activities can still happen safely outdoors.